Today we're reviewing stock number 194200 on a 2014 Chevy Silverado LTZ GFX, and our exterior color is white. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrapped upholstery, light controls, four-wheel drive controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision detection and heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, OnStar with electrochromatic mirror, garage door opener, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, dual zone climate control with AC, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, parking assist controls, and lane departure warning. And our interior color is black. Moving under exterior features, we have running boards, chrome alloy rims, mud flaps, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, box rails, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, and you can fold seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 194200 on a 2014 Chevy Silverado LTZ GFX, and our exterior color is white.